When thinking about hiring new people, it is likely you're going to have to make funds available to go source and acquire that talent. We use what we call the 20-60-20 rule as an example of how you can actually go about doing that. Think of everyone on your staff falling somewhere on a bell curve. The top 20% are those that can quickly make the leap to the new model, or they are already operating in the new model and maybe not even knowing it. The majority of your staff, let's say 60%, can make the transition. They believe in the model and they want to make it work, and they can actually make the transition with some coaching, training, and ongoing mentoring. The last 20% are those that are either unwilling or incapable of making the transition. Those folks we move to other areas of the business in order to free up the funds to make available to go get new talent. When thinking about sourcing, hiring, and retaining the qualified people you need to support the new business model, likely candidates will be coming from consulting firms that have deep industry expertise and knowledge in those areas that your solutions are targeting. Consultants, by nature, are analytical and skeptical. Therefore, rethink how you do the interview process so that it allows them to not only think about your strategy and whether or not the strategy makes sense, but also allows them to evaluate the company and the solutions themselves. We use what we call the ABC interviewing methodology. It is designed to both bond and excite the potential candidate, as well as allow you to interview them along the way. There's three components to the ABC interviewing methodology. First component is the bonding interview. That is designed to educate and excite the candidate for what we're doing and why we're doing it. The evaluation interview, the second piece, is designed obviously to evaluate the candidate's skills, capabilities, and their motivations in terms of joining your team. The third component to the ABC interviewing methodology is the confirmation interview. That is designed to confirm the candidate's understanding of the strategy, the job, and even the challenges that were being faced, as well as to conduct a soft, or what we call as a trial close. Like every aspect of the customer intimacy engine, even interviewing is a customer-centric or outward-facing point of view. Therefore, it is important to think through and likely reconsider where you source your candidates from, how you're going to source those candidates, and ultimately use the interviewing process to get them excited about joining your team.